Technology is a fantastic tool that can motivate kids to work together and collaborate. But the best teachers are always there at the heart of it all, motivating their students with a smile on their face. I absolutely agree with you about that. Computers should not replace teachers because they do more than teach a class or give out homework assignments to students like it's some kind of chore. Technology can be cool. I mean, think about it when you see a dishwasher working or an iPhone loading up the next song on its playlist for your jog in the park. Doesn't that feel like magic? A world in which technology is used to a positive, immersive effect will allow educators and students alike more significant access to information than ever before. Think of all the things you can do with just your voice. I bet it makes other people feel better when they hear a friendly tone next time. Tell me about an experience that made you happy and how technology helped you in some way. To make this happen, the idea of education is to prepare the child, so they can educate themselves throughout their life. Knowledge without action is useless. The great aim of education should be to instill an understanding that leads to taking appropriate measures, according to what you know and see. Technology is the future of learning. Students and teachers need to be able to use it in every class because technology provides an interactive platform for teaching material that students